Hi, welcome to my technical walkthrough. This is Code Lab 2 and assessment. This program is a quiz game that asks you multiple choice trivia questions. The questions come from the Open Database API link. You can answer questions, use Lifeline to remove two wrong options, and skip questions if you want or if needed. Now, I've imported this request to get a trivia question from this link, and I use Pillow to add and resize the background image. Now, for the fetch trivia. This one reads how many questions the user wants to play. It connects to the Open Trivia database to get the question, and it stores the question and resets the game setting, and it switches the screen to show the first trivia questions. And if there's an error, if the API doesn't work or something it goes wrong, it shows an error message. In this one, it failed to fetch trivia question, an error occurred. Now, for display question. This one shows the current question on the screen, and it displays the answer option as button, so you can pick one. And these buttons are submit, submit, submit button, skip button, next button, and lifeline button. For the lifeline button, it removes two wrong answer. And for the check answer function, this one is to check the answer if it's correct, if it's correct, and if it's incorrect. And if it's incorrect, it will show the correct answer. And this for the next button. You can click the next button if you're done answering. Now, for this show answer animation. This one is if your answer is correct, it will turn into green, and if incorrect, it will turn into red. And only the next question is working at this point after you click the answer. The skip button is being disabled. Now I'll show you like this. If it's incorrect, it will turn into red. If it's correct, it will turn to green. Now, if you use the lifeline, there will be two remaining answer. And you can only use three lifeline. Now, for the next question. This one moves to the next question in the list. If all questions are done, it shows a game over message. This one, trivia over, and you've completed all the questions. Now for the lifeline, like I told you, it removes two wrong answers and leaving only the correct answers and one incorrect one. So it reduces the number of lifelines left by one. You can use only three times. And obviously, if it disables after you use three times of lifelines. Now, this one's for the background image. This for the root. Now is this one for the starting screen, starting button, and for the how many questions. This one. So how many questions? You can click how many questions you want. This one's the starting button. And if you finish let me show. If you finish all the questions, now this one, it will show you completed all the questions. Well, how does the game work?